Hi guys, I'm going to make a quick and easy Freshsales tutorial. So first off guys, you have to click on free trial. After clicking on free trial, you can either sign up with Google after reading no, you don't really have to click on this. It depends on you, or you can sign up with email. For me it will be easier to sign up with Google. No, I don't really want to. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, so my first name is Ned, my last name is Tech, my email is this, my company is NetTech, and my phone number is this one. Okay, I guess I have to check this, even though I don't want to. But if you guys want to, I'm not stopping you. So guys, just wait for a second while they're setting up our account. Now, here guys, this asks us in what industry do we work in. Let's say that we work in e-commerce. Our e-commerce platform is WooCommerce, let's say. And here is it guys. The main site. So first we can see the dashboards. We can see our sales dashboard. This is just a sample guys, yeah. Okay, let's just dismiss this. Can we go in the dashboard again? Yeah. So this is our active dashboard. We can set up to see also 3 activities. We can see our calendar, everything. We can configure the widgets. We can bring members into here with Google Calendar or Office 365. We can join video calls from Freshsales here. We can also add a meeting, add a task, like we can add a task like I would say banking with my mom, and then we can set a description like if you'd like to be devious times or whatever you want to be. We can see the owner, we can see the people who it's this task is related to. We can set it as marked. We can set the task type like follow-up, call, reminder. We can also, I think that we can set it manually like a I would say can it be like a serious thing? No, also it can only be just call, reminder, or a follow-up. We can set the due date and the time, and we can select the outcome. It can be interested, left message, no response, not interested, and not able to reach. We can just save it, and in the calendar this should pop up. Here is the task, banking with my mom, and we can just click on it and see it. So the title is banking with my mom, the description is devious times. We can also set it as completed and just click on save. So the task was being completed successfully. We can also see our accounts right here. like there's these people who I don't know, but they're being given to us just to use them as learning staples, I guess. We can add an account though, like his name can be Mike the plumber, so we can set who is the sales owner and we can just save him. So here's Mike the plumber. We can set his parent account, what's his phone, industry type, business type, number of employees, and everything, guys. So it's not that hard, guys. You can see that we have added this account, Mike the plumber. We can see his website, we can add it, we can open his deals amount, we can see who is the sales owner, his next activity, we can add him a task, we can add tax to him, and we can see his phone number. But guys, let me show you the pricing right now. I'm sorry, guys. Here is it, the pricing. So for the free plan, it's up to 3 users and it's for free. You get these amounts of perks like Kanban view for contacts, account and deals, mobile app, 24x5 support. But for the growth plan, we are going to get built per user per month and built annually. If we want to pay monthly, we can just pay for $18. The same thing is with the popular and the enterprise plan, which the popular plan is the most popular one. The pro plan is the most popular one. I'm sorry, guys. And the same thing is with them, $39 per month per user and built annually, and $47 per month and built monthly. And it's not that hard, guys. I think that this video should have helped you with starting up your Freshworks account. And that was it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.